Today our topic is React Context API. If I search what is Context API, then you will see allow us to pass data through our component trees, giving our components the ability to communicate and share data at different levels. This is our project, and this is our project folder. We have index.jsx, a simple function called parent. Let's create some children. Let's create another. Let's create another. Let's see what is the benefit of Context API. Usually we will pass information from a parent component to a child component via props. But passing props can become verbose and inconvenient if we have to pass them through many components in the middle. Let's see it first. Let's copy the function and paste everywhere and change the name. This one is called child1, child2, child3. Let's import the child1 here. And inside the child1, let's import the child2. And in the child2, let's import the child3. And let's make a constant data here. So if we want to share this piece of data to all component child1, child2, and child3, then we can pass it through props. Let's see how props work. Like you can say data props. We can say data. Let's copy this. Let's see if our data is showing or not. Yeah, it's showing. So we was needed to pass this parent data to our child3 component through every component, but we were not necessary this data in child1, child2, but we are needed the child3. So this is called prop dealing. But by using Context API, we can remove the prop drilling. We can pass our parent data to child3 directly. Let's see. Let's use create context hook of React. Let's export it, make a constant variable like context. You can give a name, anything. Then we can cover this component by using the context dot provider. Let's pass the value data. Let's remove the props drilling. Let's see if we can use this data directly in the child tree. Let's remove the props. So here we can use another hook of the React called use context. Okay. We have to use this inside the function, and use context will accept the parent data, this one. Let's import the context. Import context from index. So we can use the context here. Let's say const data equal. Let's see if we can show the data here. So this data is showing. So you saw how we can pass the index data without prop dealing directly by using Context API.